Hey everybody, so we have another Guess What's in the Box video. We'll do some measurements, check it out. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, how's it going? So, I got this package in the mail. The box is 11 5/8 wide by it's actually 11 5/8 long by 9 1/4 inches wide by 12 1/2 inches tall. So let me know what you guys think is in the box. It was sent to me to check out on the channel. What do you guys think it is? Let me know. It's quite heavy. Not sure exactly what the weight is. What's the box say if it does? It says 14 pounds. That feels about 14 pounds. But just a quick little Guess What's in the Box video. Do appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And at the top of the description, I also have a Ulsa Tools link. You guys check that out. It will get you 10% off of your order at ulsatools.com, as well as kick me back at 10% off of my next purchase from them as well. Appreciate you guys' time. Hope to see you guys on the next video, and you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace!